don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow. Okay, so we got something new today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amina Jahara. I do beauty videos, I sing, you know, I dibble and dabble and other stuff. So if you like that, you should subscribe. If you don't, then you should at least watch this video. I can change your mind. But today I will be reviewing a wig from ilikehairwig. They sent me an Ipart wig, which basically means that this is the parting space and you don't need any leave out. Like, I have no leave out. The girls are gagging. the girls are shook. I'm the girls. I didn't think this was really gonna look good, but here we are. So keep watching this video if you want to see what's Tia on the hair. And yeah. Hi, I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you too. It comes with one rat tail comb, this little beauty bag, which is so cute. It has, please don't mind my hair. I know I look a little wild, but whatever. It comes with a wig cap, which I don't think we'll need, but it's nice to have. We have 2 alligator clips. And then it comes with, I don't know if these are called, but like the comb and the little brush thing, because you have to, like, from what I've seen, you have to pluck the part or tase the part. Tweeze the part? Whatever. And then a tweezer, which I don't think we'll need, but it's still really good to have for future wigs because it also comes with, I think this is a bonnet. This is a bonnet. That's lit. That's a really good. I have never, yes, girl, it's a bonnet. Or is it a shower cap? I think it's a shower cap because it's not satin on the inside. But regardless, hair companies never give stuff like this. Like, okay, I like hair wig. Y'all giving the girls something to gag about. You guys know that when I do wigs, I wash my hair, the hair first, because I broke out a few times from hair, and it's just, you know, it's just better to see what the hair really gives when after it's washed. So this is an 18-inch curly Ipart. So what an Ipart wig is, so you know we've done U parts, which is like shaped like a U. We've done V parts shaped like a V. So this one is just straight, like it's literally straight, like an eye. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. You know, it's really literally an eye. This is a really full wig. This is 150 density. This is a really full wig. I'm excited about it. The girls are gagging. I'm the girls. Like, oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, boom. So the construction of this wig, there's clips on the side, there's clips up here, but the thing is, the best thing about this wig is it doesn't have, there's no lace here. So this is supposed to be invisible. Like when you put it on, you're not supposed to see anything. It's supposed to look like it's coming straight out of your scalp. So we will see. I'm gonna wash this wig and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put it on and see what it looks like. I'm really excited because this looks like it's a really nice wig. It feels so soft. Like, it's really soft. It's really soft. I'm excited to wash this and everything. It's giving very much like natural hair. This hair is supposed to be a really easy wig to put on. It's supposed to be no glue, obviously, because there's no lace, there's no glue. So it'll be a really good wig for first time users. So I'm gonna go wash it and then I'm gonna put it on and we're all gonna see together. Be right back. If I sound a little congested, it's because I am. And no, I don't have the thing, because people still get sick without having the thing. Just disclaimer. But anywho, let's talk about this hair. Like, y'all see it? It's giving. I think it's giving so far. But this hair is literally probably the easiest wig I've ever had. Like, it's way easier than a U part, way easier than a V part, way easier than any lace wig like ever. For one, there's no lace, so there's no glue needed. You really don't need leave out. Like, as you can see, I have no leave out at all. You can put a thin layer of leave out but realistically, you don't need it. And I have pretty thin hair, and if I don't even feel the need to take out my little strands, then you probably do not need it. It's much less leave out than a U-part wig or than a sew-in or anything. So if you're just like trying to get into wigs, I definitely recommend that you try this because it's so easy. Like the curls just, I can't. Like I just can't. And they don't only have curly hair. They have like straight, they have like body waves. So if you want to try, you know, an Ipart, but you don't want to do curly hair, they have other options. So I definitely recommend. This hair didn't shed too much at all. Like for curly hair, when I washed it, not a lot of it came out, which was really surprising to me, because one thing about curly hair or hair period, it's gonna shed. Like it's gonna shed, but it's all about how much it sheds, and this did not shed a lot at all. The hair was really, really, really full too. Like I wasn't expecting it to be this full. It was a lot of hair on here, not in a bad way, but in like a perfect kind of way. So yeah, just keep watching me mess with the curls so I get the perfect look or whatever. But actually, you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all a story, because I was just talking to my best friend about this and it popped up in my head just now. So yeah, let me tell y'all. So when I was in high school, right, there was a big scandal in my school about a teacher like trying to sleep with students. Like, girl, like this teacher, he was young. I ain't gonna lie, he was young. I ain't gonna say what subject he taught or anything, and I ain't gonna say what high school I went to. I might have said it in another video, but whatever. But yes, like I had him for, you know, whatever subject, and he used to say like little slick things in class, but like it just used to go over my head. Like I remember one time, we were talking about, oh, like we want donuts for class, and he was like, oh, well, you got to make sure y'all get the ones with cream inside. And it was like, girl, what? Like, and it's not even like what he said, it was how he said it. But like, long story short, he ended up getting fired because like mad people started to come forward about like the inappropriate things he would say to them, or like the meetings he would try to have like after school with them. One time he wrote like all these girls letters in my class. Like it was weird. And it was weird because like you always knew who he liked. And he was strategic too. Like he waited till after parent teacher conference to really start shooting his shot. Like I felt like he did that to see like, you know, whose parents came, whose parents didn't come, whose dad was there, you know, like that's mad creepy and weird. But yes, like, oh my gosh, maybe one day I'll do like a full story on it, because yo, like that was crazy. And after that, he ended up working at a college, which I'm sure was more fitting for him. I'm sure he got away with a lot. But yes, like, man, I almost said his name just now. But he wasn't even all that cute to me. Like I was just like, because some girls actually did like him. Like, you know, that's why this is such a big thing in my school. But I say less. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all enjoy the curls. Make sure y'all go get this hair, because this hair is giving everything that it's supposed to give. And that's on period. Shout out to Roland Ray. Okay, so I really like this hair. The curls eating you up. Like what? Like y'all. And y'all know I love a good curly wig. Yeah, I'm here for this. Thank you, I Like Hair Wig, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me this wig. I love it. Everything about this wig will be in the description as always. I really like it. Sorry, I'm just like, if you have any questions about this hair, let me know. You can check the link in my bio for all details. Comment down below for any questions. You can DM me anywhere. So you gotta follow me on social media. You gotta subscribe to my channel if you want to see more hair videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.
Boy, I don't know.